Alright, hello again. This is 6.3 day 1, alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, and corresponding angles. So we've learned about several different types of angles, complementary angles, supplementary angles, vertical angles, okay? We've talked about, acute and obtuse and those ones as well. But we've been focusing on vertical angles lately, okay? So we're going to talk about parallel lines a little bit today. Parallel lines are denoted with these little arrows in the middle or towards one of the edges of the two parallel lines. And they'll point in the same direction. Sometimes there'll be two arrows depending on if you have more than one parallel set of lines, okay? So that's just something to know for your homework, okay? Now here I have two parallel lines crossed by this other line. And that other line is called a transversal, okay? So this line straight through here. It's called the transversal because it goes through both parallel lines. And the transversal forms 8 total angles, okay? And I've labeled them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? Now, with this, I have interior angles, and interior usually means inside. So interior is inside the two parallel lines. And I'll zoom in on that. So interior just means inside the two parallel lines. Exterior usually means outside, so it's going to be outside the two parallel lines. Okay. So if I look at my picture here, the interior angles are my green ones here. So 3, 4, 5, and 6. And my exterior ones are my blue ones. The 1, 2, 8, and 7. Okay. So interior is green, exterior is blue here. Now the word alternate means they're on opposite sides of the transversal. Oops, sides of the transversal. Okay, so opposite sides of the transversal. So 4 and 6 are on opposite sides, 3 and 5 are on opposite sides of the transversal. Okay, so alternate exterior and interior. So if you need to write those down, go ahead and pause the video. And I'm going to move on, okay? So we have alternate interior angles, okay, and that's the actual type that you'll use. So we can all agree, we already told ourselves earlier that 3, 4, 5, and 6 were interior. Alternate interior would be 6 and 4. They're on opposite sides of the transversal, and they're not touching in any way, okay? And then 3 and 5 will also be alternate interior angles, okay? So angle 4 and angle 6, angle 3 and angle 5. Now also, what you should know is angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Angle 4 is equal to angle 6, okay? So alternate interior angles are equal to each other. Okay. Now, alternate exterior, again, I've drawn my picture and I've only labeled the points that I'm actually going to use here. So, again, alternate means on opposite sides of the transversal. So angle 1 and angle 7 are alternate interior angles. Angle 8 and angle 2 are alternate exterior angles. I think I'm going to set interior on the last one. Oop, I lost my pen. There it goes. So angle 1 and angle 7, angle 2 and angle 8. Now these also equal each other. So angle 1 equals angle 7. And you can kind of see they look about the same. Obviously my human drawing is not perfect, but you get the drift. Okay. So alternate exterior, they're not touching. They're on opposite sides of the transversal. Okay, and they're exterior angles. Alright, now the last one can confuse people here. Now corresponding angles is my last one, okay? I'm gonna write my title down there. Corresponding means they're on the same side of the transversal. Okay. And one angle is exterior, the other is interior. Okay? So go ahead and pause it if you need that definition there. So same side of the transversal, and one angle is exterior, the other is interior. So if I look at this, angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding. They're not touching each other at all, and one is interior, one is exterior, and they're on the same side of the transversal. Angle 4 and angle 8 are also, and these also equal each other. So angle 1 equals angle 5, angle 4 equals angle 8. The same would be true on the other side if I like labeled all of these. So angle 6 goes with angle 2. And the other color that I didn't use here, angle 3 and angle 7 go together, okay? Okay, so this is going to help you with both sets of homework from Wednesday and Friday, okay? All right. Have a great day. I hope, actually, let me do one example because that'll help you with today's. So we can do this together. So if I give you two parallel lines crossed by a transversal, I'm sorry, that's so straight. It's really not meant to be straight. Okay, so if I give you that this angle is 123 degrees, let's try and find all these other angles. And remember, you can use vertical angles, you can use complementary, supplementary angles, you can use alternate interior, alternate exterior, and corresponding. So the easy one here is vertical angles, right? So angle 8 equals 123 degrees. Okay. I also know by corresponding angles that angle 1 equals 123 degrees. And angle 4 also equals 123 degrees by alternate interior angles. Okay. Now I need to kind of figure out some of these other ones. So to figure out angle 7, this is a straight line, so I'm just going to do 180 minus 123, and that's going to give me 57 degrees. Well, then angle 5 also equals 57 degrees because of vertical angles. Angle 3 equals that because of alternate interior angles, or corresponding angles if I was looking here. And then 2 equals 57 degrees because of vertical angles. So you only have 2 measurements when you're actually looking at all of these, okay? And it should be pretty quick for you to find them once you understand all the different types of angles, okay? So this would be Thursday stuff, okay? Or I'm sorry, not Thursday. I was gone Thursday. Friday stuff. It was supposed to be on Thursday. Okay, and the other previous stuff was Wednesdays. Okay. I will post the homework problems online as well in case you forgot your book if you're homesick today, this weekend. So go ahead and get working on those. Have a great day. Bye.